I'm going to share 3 content formats on LinkedIn that I used a lot in 2023 that consistently brought in leads and that I will continue to use here in 2024. All right, so the first one is opinion videos. Now, this is the Gary Vee style where you cut yourself out and put yourself in front of an article that is related to your industry, your niche, related to your target market. The reason that this works really well is because it gives you an opportunity to share your thoughts and insights on things that are going on within your industry and that are relevant to your market right now. And when you share your opinions, you are definitely positioning yourself as an expert in your industry. The second format that you want to use is LinkedIn Lives. Now, I run these lives like a mini workshop. I come with a topic all prepared that I speak to, go through a slide presentation, and then at the end, give a call to action. These lives have brought in tons of leads and have also converted to clients. And the last one is creator collabs. You could do these on LinkedIn Live. You could also do a carousel post. You get creative with the format. But I like doing them live. And the reason I like doing them live is because it gives you the opportunity to use them to create additional content. These conversations can easily be recorded and they can be posted for longer form videos here on YouTube or shorts on any of those platforms. I also just like the idea of working with other creators and getting their insights and picking their brains and learning things along the way. And I actually really enjoy these conversations. There you go. 3 content formats that you should pay attention to get more leads on LinkedIn in 2024. And as always, subscribe to the channel because I got more of these 2-minute LinkedIn tutorial videos coming your way. See ya.